is a growing problem on the continent of Europe. This ideology is fueled by racism, Islamophobia, xenophobia, and anti-Semitism. The rising popularity of the far right throughout the EU is an extremely concerning development. After years of marginalization, this hate-inspired movement is going mainstream in many Western countries. In France, Marine Le Pen pushes a xenophobic and anti-Islamic agenda. She has compared Muslims praying in the streets to the Nazi occupation of France and proposed the banning of the Muslim headscarf. Austria's right-wing populist Freedom Party members are well known for their Islamophobic views and constantly target Muslims with hate speech. The party's leader, Norbert Hofer, has said the Holy Quran is more dangerous than COVID-19. Sweden's third largest party, the far-right Sweden Democrats, campaign on anti-migrant rhetoric. The party's leader, Jimmy Åkesson, has called Islamism the Nazism and communism of our time. The Greek Cypriot Eylem has undertaken many violent acts against the Turkish Cypriot minority and aims to eliminate the Turkish Cypriot presence in Cyprus. In the Netherlands, Geert Wilders and his Party for Freedom targets Muslims with Islamophobic rhetoric. Wilders openly propagates his anti-Islamic agenda, pushing to ban all mosques and the Holy Quran in his country. He has also suggested placing a tax on women who wear hijabs and closing Dutch borders to Islamic immigrants. After his verbal attacks on Islam's places of worship and its holiest book, Wilders is targeting Islam's holiest month, Ramadan. The far-right Dutch politician posted a video calling to "Stop Islam, Stop Ramadan," and continued with the message that Islam does not belong in the Netherlands. These are the many faces of far-right extremism in Europe. Their racist and Islamophobic speech is unacceptable and has no place in a modern, civilized society. Islam is a religion which preaches peace and condemns extremism, racism, and violence. With over 2 billion followers living on all 7 continents, it is the world's second most practiced faith. Turkey calls on the international community to condemn these acts of hate against Islam. The greatest response we can give to right-wing extremists is showing tolerance, respect, and understanding to everyone's religion, race, and culture. On behalf of Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, we wish Muslims throughout the world a happy and healthy Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.